How to download Roblox on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can download Roblox on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You might be wondering how you can play the Roblox game on your PlayStation or PS4, right? So well, if I have to tell you, if I go to my PlayStation store over here, and then if I just go ahead and then basically search for the Roblox game over here, so at the very top you can see the search button over here. If I just go ahead and then basically type in Roblox over here, as you should be able to find it, you can see that we do not have any sort of results that says we have the Roblox game available. It simply means that Roblox is not officially available on PS4, and Roblox has not made a PS4 version of their game, which means that you cannot play it on PS4 no matter what you do. But the thing over here is that you know that you can play Roblox from the website, right? And your PS4 also supports a browser, which means that you have to simply open up an internet browser, which is one of the short ways that you can play your Roblox on PS4. Open the internet browser, and then all you have to do is simply just go to roblox.com. As you can see, I'm already in roblox.com. Make sure that you are on this interface. When you go to roblox.com, now if you want to switch to full screen, you can simply press the square button on your controller, and then you'll automatically be switched to full screen. And after a while, it's going to take a while to load up this page, so let's wait until this page loads up. So as you can see, the page had been successfully loaded up. Now it is simply asking me to sign into my Roblox account, so I can just go ahead and then basically click the login option from the top right, and now I can go ahead and then basically enter my password. So after you go ahead and enter the details for your Roblox account, as you can find here, you'll be able to see many of the different games that are available for your Roblox on your PlayStation. So now all you have to do is simply go ahead and basically select a specific game that you would like to play over here. Once you select the game you would like to play, you can simply play them on your web browser, as you would be able to find it here. And that's all it takes to actually download Roblox on PS4. But instead of downloading, you can still play it using roblox.com on an internet browser on PlayStation. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.